Hello everyone and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a special Maharashtrian dessert sweet saffron rice or kesar bhat. This is an extremely delicious recipe and is also very easy to make. So first the ingredients. Rice 1.5 cups. I have washed it a couple of times in water, then drained away all the water and let it stay for about half an hour. Sugar 2 cups. Cardamom powder according to your liking. Sliced cashews or almonds about 10. Saffron 1/4 of a teaspoon. Clarified butter or ghee 2 tablespoons. Raisins about 20. Cloves about 4 or 5. And orange food colors just a few drops or a pinch. Heat clarified butter or ghee in a pot and add the cloves. Turn them around just a little and then add all the washed rice. Now keep turning the rice around for a couple of minutes and then add 3 cups of water, saffron, some orange food color and then turn it around and allow it to boil. If you want to quicken the process, then instead of adding cold water to the rice, you can also add boiling water. When it starts boiling, continue to boil till the water level reaches the level of the rice grains. When this happens, cover it with a lid and we have to cook it further on a low flame. So for this I am transferring this to another stove which has a smaller flame, and now continue to cook till all the water is absorbed and the rice gets completely cooked. After about 5 minutes of cooking on low flame, you can check to see if all the water has been used up. And as I can't see any water left at the bottom, I am going to turn off the gas. Our rice is completely cooked now. Now I am going to spread all of this rice onto a plate and allow it to cool down. To the same pot where we cooked the rice, I am now adding sugar and 1 cup of water to it. Now turn on the gas, keep it on medium and also keep turning it around, and we are going to wait till it starts boiling. Now continue to boil for about 2 more minutes and then check the solution by stretching between your fingers. We have to make a single string solution. When you see a single string being formed, then turn off the gas, add the cardamom powder and also the cooled rice that we had kept aside. Now mix the rice with the sugar solution and turn on the gas again. When it starts boiling, again we have to reduce the heat to low. So I am again transferring this to the same stove that has a smaller flame. Then cover it and continue to cook on low flame till most of the liquid part in it gets absorbed. You will have to keep checking and turning it around a couple of times. After about 8 to 10 minutes of cooking on low flame, now you can see that most of the sugar solution is absorbed into the rice and it has become uniform in consistency. So now our rice is ready. You can turn off the gas. And our delicious saffron rice is now ready to serve. Before serving, garnish it with some cashews or almond slices. And this is ready to serve. So do try making this wonderful dessert at home. I'm sure you will love it. Remember to post any questions or comments and also like and subscribe Uma's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.